Welcome to this step-by-step guide to CreditSaint credit education. Understanding credit and how it works is crucial for making informed financial decisions. CreditSaint is a credit repair company that offers educational resources to help individuals improve their credit scores. First step is to understand what credit is and how it is calculated. Credit is a measure of an individual's ability to repay debts on time. The three major credit bureaus Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion collect data from various sources to calculate credit scores. Credit scores range from 300 to 850, with higher scores indicating better credit. Second step is to check your credit report. CreditSaint provides access to credit reports from all three major credit bureaus. Reviewing your credit report helps identify errors or inaccuracies that may be affecting your credit score. Look for incorrect addresses, employment history, or account information. Third step is to dispute errors on your credit report. If you find any errors or inaccuracies on your credit report, you can dispute them with the credit bureau. CreditSaint provides a dispute process that guides you through the steps to dispute errors. You will need to provide documentation to support your dispute. Fourth step is to understand the factors that affect credit scores. Payment history accounts for 35% of your credit score. Making on-time payments is crucial for maintaining a good credit score. Credit utilization accounts for 30% of your credit score. Keeping credit utilization below 30% can help improve your credit score. Fifth step is to create a plan to improve your credit score. CreditSaint provides personalized recommendations to improve your credit score. This may include paying off debt, reducing credit utilization, or monitoring your credit report regularly. By following these steps and maintaining good credit habits, you can improve your credit score over time. In conclusion, CreditSaint credit education provides the tools and resources needed to understand and improve your credit score. By following these steps and practicing good credit habits, you can achieve a better credit score and improve your financial health. Remember to always monitor your credit report regularly and dispute any errors or inaccuracies to maintain a good credit score.